Are you looking for Japan surplus backhoe and heavy equipment? I got you! We are direct dealer and importer of Japan surplus trucks and heavy equipment. Experience quality backhoes and heavy equipment. Each unit is inspected for reliability and performance, ensuring the right condition and lasting value. Available units: Komatsu PC10-3, PC10-5, PC20-6, PC20-5, PC30-6, PC20-7E, PC20MR-2, PC30MR-2, PC30MR-1, PC40MR-3, Komatsu wheel loader W30-2, bulldozer D21P, PC60-7, Komatsu 10HT, PC60-2, IHIS 30FX, IHIS 30F2, PC20-3, PC20-6, Yanmar B37, PC07-1. So what are you waiting for? Inquire now. Location: along MacArthur Highway, Caniogan, Calumpit, Bulacan. Contact us for more information.